Everyone says AI will replace jobs, but very few people talk about the new roles it's creating. AI agents are different. They don't just generate answers, they can take actions based on instructions. And that shift creates new types of work. One emerging role is building AI agents, designing workflows, connecting tools and APIs, and defining how the agent operates. This is less about coding and more about system thinking. Companies are using AI agents to automate repetitive processes, and they need people who understand both business workflows and AI tools. That's where automation specialists come in. Prompt engineering isn't just writing text, it's about structuring instructions so the AI behaves reliably. Better prompts lead to more consistent outputs. AI agents don't run perfectly on their own. They need monitoring, testing, and continuous improvement. This is often called AI operations or AI ops. AI agents are not replacing entire jobs. They are used in specific, high-impact tasks. For example, handling incoming leads, automating internal workflows, and supporting customer operations. They replace parts of processes, not entire roles. You don't always need to be a developer. Many platforms now offer no-code or low-code tools to build AI agents, which lowers the barrier to entry. This space is still early. Standards are not fully defined yet, which means there's room to enter and grow with the technology. If you want more practical cybersecurity insights, don't forget to subscribe.